Have you ever pulled food from the microwave after thawing, only to find stubborn icy patches still clinging to the center or edges? It is a common occurrence and one that sparks a very important food safety question. If your microwave-thawed food still has ice crystals, it means the food is not fully thawed and needs immediate attention. You must either finish thawing it completely using other safe methods, or, more commonly, cook it immediately without delay. The reason this is so important comes down to how microwaves heat food and the risk of bacterial growth. Microwaves heat unevenly, creating warm spots where bacteria can multiply rapidly and cold spots that remain as frozen. If you stop the thawing process with ice crystals still present, those warmer areas could reach temperatures within the danger zone, which is between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing harmful bacteria to grow quickly. To handle this safely, first, check the food thoroughly for any cold spots in addition to ice crystals. If you intend to continue microwaving, stir or rotate the food and microwave for very short intervals, checking frequently until all ice is gone. Crucially, if you are microwaving meat, poultry, or casseroles that still have ice, you must finish cooking them straight away without any pause. For other foods, if you decide not to cook it immediately, you can finish thawing it in the refrigerator or under cold running water, but never leave it at room temperature. Understanding the danger zone is key here. Partially thawed food that sits out allows bacteria to thrive in those areas that are no longer frozen but also not yet cooked. Using a food thermometer to check the internal temperature, especially in the thickest part, helps ensure that your food reaches a safe cooking temperature quickly after thawing. Ultimately, recognizing ice crystals in microwave-thawed food is a clear signal to act decisively. Either finish the thawing process completely and safely, or cook the food immediately, ensuring it reaches the correct internal temperature. This simple vigilance helps prevent potential foodborne illnesses and keeps your kitchen truly safe.